In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Alight Motion on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web page and go to Google. Now from here in the Google search bar, type in Alight Motion download and then hit enter. We'll be taken to Google search results. And now from here, I like to use this one here, alightmotionpkd.com. So go ahead and click onto that. So this is an APK file. So this site does have a few ads, so just click out of the ads. And then from here, it will say Alight Motion download. So it's free. APK size is 193 megabytes. And yeah, the latest version. So go ahead and click on the green download now button. And now what this is going to do, it's going to take you to this page. All right, so once you're on this page here, scroll down. Now from here, you want to click on the APK installer and it's going to download. So once it's downloaded, go ahead and click onto it. Open it with BlueStacks. If you don't have BlueStacks, go ahead and download and install BlueStacks. And then once you're here, it will take you to BlueStacks. Let me just exit out of this. So I'll do this again. Right, I'm going to run the installer APK. All right, now it's going to open BlueStacks. And then it should take you to the game here. If it doesn't pop up where it says search for games and apps, go ahead and type in Alight. All right, so here it is here. Click onto it and then click on install from Google Play. That's if it doesn't automatically open up once you download the file and run the file